Good morning, everybody. My dear students, my name is Baba Pune. I am working as a English teacher in Sri Maru Siddheshwara High School, Anupur. Dear students, in the previous class, we are going to discuss about how that Bombay railway station was very busy, and also how the commuters were very rushed in the coaches, how that lady or girl, Roma Talrija, she want to travel regularly for the sake of his work or job. She was a executive call center girl. She was working at the executive call center, and how she was very dangerous woman, how she was fired out from the coach. In the opposite direction, the train was coming very fastly. Then, in the train, the Baleshwar Mishra, he was ready to save her life when he saw that girl was fallen from that train. So this is the story we are going to know in the yesterday's class or the previous class. Now today we are going to know that part second, that is what is the main idea that what was that Baleshwar Mishra, how he was going to save her life when he was saw that girl, and how he went to bring her hospital and get a treatment. Let us look in the paragraph how that Baleshwar Mishra, he take a risk to save Roma Talrija's life. Baleshwar was so far away from Roma. He could not see her. I hope I am not too late. He thought, gasping for breath. After running for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. Benji, aap theek hai? He asked the sister, "Are you okay?" But there was no response and no help in the sight. They were alone some way between two stations, 5 kilometers apart in the Thane district, which borders Mumbai. Baleshwar could see blood flowing out of a gash behind the young woman's head, saying a silent prayer. He lifted the 5 feet to 50 kilo Roma generally and made his way across the tracks, looking out for tribes and searching for a way out. He crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. My sister is injured. He implored motorists who drove by, "Please help me, take her to a hospital," but no one thought. That morning, on December 10th, 2010, a Friday, Roma Talrija arrived at the call center bright and early. The BCom graduate from Pune had been working there for 2 years, loving her job, talking and connecting the customers and making new friends there. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she and her friends joke, laugh and made plans Then heading the home alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brothers. And he longed for chat with her finance Vijay. Baleshwar Mishra has a very difficult story. The lanky youngsters from Mirzapur, UP, is an unemployed high school dropout would recently come to Mumbai, living with his two older brothers. His job hunt and proved fruitless. Now he was trading water and had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of options. He had spent his day with a friend, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. As Maleshwar boarded the train home, he pondered over his future. But all he could now think of was saving a stranger's life. See, in the part second, the writer he wanted to describe about the Baleshwar Mishra and also how he wanted to save her life. How the Roma Talrija was injured. What was the message taken from the Baleshwar Mishra? Let us look here in the paragraph. Baleshwar was so far away from Roma. When Baleshwar Mishra was jumped from the train, he was so away means distance, so away from that Roma. He could not see her. Just he could not see her. I hope I am not too late. I hope himself, Baleshwar Mishra, himself he told like this, I hope I am not too late. I think I am not too late. He thought, gasping for breath. After running for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. After some minutes, he ran away to the nearest place where she was fallen down. बहन जी, आपको ठीक है? When he reached that place, he saw that Roma Talrija was fallen down beside the tracks. He asked like this, बहन जी, आप ठीक है? Sister, are you okay? But there was no response. When he was asking these questions, there is no response from the Roma Talrija. And no help in sight. There is no help also in the sight. They were alone somewhere between the stations 5 kilometers about the Thane district. This is the 5 kilometers distance from that Thane district, which borders Mumbai. It is the borders of Mumbai. Baleshwar could see blood flowing out of a gash behind the young woman's head. That Baleshwar Mishra he saw there was a blood flowing the back of the head of Roma Talrija. Saying a silent prayer, he lifted the 5 foot to 50 kilo Roma generally had made his way across the tracks. Here, Roma's height, Roma Talrija's height here, the 5 foot plus 50 kilos she was weight, and Roma generally had made a way across the tracks. Now, Baleshwar Mishra, she carried her across the tracks, looking out for trains and searching for a way out. He was searching for a way out. How he was get her to hospital, take her to hospital. He crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sounds until he found that road. Just he found the sounds of the tracks where that route, that tracks route was. And my sister is injured. He shouted like this. My sister is injured. He implored. Implored means the request. Implored means request. Just he was shouting like this. My sister is injured. He implored. That means he requests that injured. He implored motorist who drove by. He requested the motorist that who drove by, please help me, take her to a hospital, but no one stopped. He asking like this, the truck drivers, oh please help me, that had to take hospital. He was asking like this, requesting like that the motorist, but no one stopped. But no one truck driver stopped their trucks. That morning on December 10th, 2010, a Friday, Roma Tamrija arrived at the call center bright and early. That morning on the December morning 10th, 2010, a Friday. What day is that day? The day is Friday. December 10th, 2010. Roma Tamrija arrived at the call center bright and early. That day, Roma Tamrija, she came from her duty as early. The BCom graduate from Pune had been working there for 2 years. She was a BCom graduate. She was working from that call center executive 2 years. Loving her job. She was loving her job. They are talking and connecting to the customers. She was talking and connecting to the customers. I think she is working as a call center executive lady. So that making a friends and loving for a job, talking and connecting to customers and making new friends stay. After work, she went to the cafeteria where she had her friend's job. So after her work, she get to met her friends and make that joke day. Laughed and made a plans for the weekend. So that all her friends, they were making a plan to go to the weekend. Then heading home alone after her shift, Roma was looking forward to having supper with her parents and brothers. When she returned her house, she was get a supper. Supper means night meals. So she get a night meals or supper with her parents and brothers. And a long phone chat with her finance Vijay, and also she was chatting the phone with her finance friend Vijay. Baleshwar Mishra has a very different story. So now we are going to know about the Baleshwar Mishra and about his life story. Baleshwar Mishra has a very different story. His life story is very different. The lucky youngster from Mirzapur. Baleshwar Mishra, he was from Mirzapur. It is in UP. He is unemployed. He was also an unemployed and a high school dropout. He was a high school dropout student who had recently came to Mumbai. He was recently came to Mumbai, living with his two older brothers. He want to living with his two older brothers. His job hunt had proved fruitless. He was hunting or searching for his job. So he came from Mirzapur, UP, for the sake of searching job in Mumbai. Now he was treading water and had resigned himself to the fact that he was running out of options. He had spent his day with a friend, grabbed lunch and watched a movie. As Baleshwar boarded the train home, he pondered over his future. But all he could now think of was saving a stranger life. So here in this paragraph, so you know that Baleshwar Mishra, he was from Mirzapur, UP. He was a 10th high school student. He was dropout student. He was came to Mumbai for the sake of the job, work. He wanted to stay in Mumbai with his older brothers. So he was searching for a job in Mumbai. So next you are going to know that innumerable motorists drove by, some even slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms. Some truck drivers, they slowed their tracks and saw that how the young boy, he was holding that girl, flowing blood in her head. Slowing down to see the young man struggling to hold the blood-covered woman in his arms. Just when he had begun to lose hope, a tempo truck pulled over and its driver, a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, stepped out. Here one of the Gujarati truck driver, he stopped his truck and slowly was came near the Baleshwar Mishra. Help me, Baleshwar pleaded. Here, Baleshwar Mishra want to plead that truck driver, Gujarati truck driver, help me, Baleshwar pleaded. And pleaded means request. And the man helped Baleshwar lay Roma down in the back of his car. That Gujarati truck driver, he was making a hand to bring that Roma Tamrija to the hospital. Baleshwar was quickly telling the driver what had happened when a traffic policeman arrived. At the same time, the traffic policeman also coming there. Take the girl to Airoli, suggested the car. Airoli means nearest place in that Mumbai. So take the girl to Airoli. Airoli is the name of a place. It is nearest to that place. Suggested the car. That the policeman, he was suggested Baleshwar and truck driver to bring take the girl to Airoli. There is a hospital there. So nearest to the place, that Airoli, there is a hospital is there. But Baleshwar disagreed. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. So Baleshwar Mishra was disagreed what that suggestion given by the police, because that Airoli, it is at least 10 kilometers away. It is very 10 kilometers distance. There is a closer place know of? Said Baleshwar. There is a closer place I know of. Baleshwar told like this. Told these words that there is a closer place I know of. I think there is a closer place is there, I know. Said Baleshwar. 10 minutes later, only 10 minutes later, there is a place is there. They arrived at a small hospital where nurses help to take the young woman in. So there is a nearest place for the hospital that there is only nurses are there. Then they took take the young woman in. But as the facility lacked personnel and equipment, so in that hospital there was a lack of facility, lack of equipment. That is the small hospital. The on-duty physician was not able to do more than give basic first aid. There is no physician in the hospital and he did not give a basic aid, that is basic first aid. There is no available or there is no facility of first aid. He advised that she be moved to a nearby hospital. From that hospital, they have to advise to bring another one nearest the hospital. Baleshwar and the driver had no choice but to move her back into the truck. Baleshwar and the driver had no choice but to move her back into the truck. When the vehicle lurched forward, Roma stirred and her eyes frightened woman. Sometimes later, in the truck, when that Roma Talrija, she was opened her eyes. Sometime later, the Roma Talrija, she opened her eyes. What is your name? Baleshwar Mishra asked Roma Talrija. What's your name? Asked Baleshwar, who was with her in the back of the truck. So, who was with her? So, he was asking, who was with her in the back of the truck? What's your name? Asked Baleshwar. Roma, she managed to grin out. Whom can I call? Baleshwar, he asked her, who can I call? He asked quickly, freeing that she would black out once more. My brother Dinesh, she said. My brother Dinesh, she said. Slowly giving him Dinesh's cell phone number, Baleshwar memorized it and watched as Roma's eyes soon lost focus and rolled back into the darkness. She was told like this. She was told to Baleshwar, my brother Dinesh, called my brother Dinesh, and she giving him Dinesh's cell phone number. Roma Talrija, she was giving her brother's mobile number. Baleshwar memorized it and watched as Roma's eyes soon lost focus and rolled back into the darkness. She was closed her eyes. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar Mishra asked her, phone from the truck driver. Chacha, can I borrow your mobile? Baleshwar asked and the driver passed him his phone. So, where the Baleshwar Mishra asked him, he taken phone from the truck driver. Dinesh Talrija was wrapping up his day at his marketing job at a retail outlet in Ulhasnagar. Roma Talrija's brother Dinesh Mishra, he was working in the market So Dinesh Talreja was wrapping up his day at his marketing job. Was working at marketing at a retail outlet in Ulhasnagar. In the Ulhasnagar, it is in the Bombay, one of the place. When his phone rang from a number he did not recognize. When Baleshwar Mishra, you want to ring the phone to that Dinesh Talreja, he cannot recognize the new number. Dinesh Bhai, a young voice asked. So here Baleshwar Mishra talking with Dinesh Talreja. Dinesh Bhai, a young voice asked, your sister Roma has fallen off a train and we are taking her to a drive-in hospital in Ghansoli. So like this, Baleshwar Mishra, he talking with Dinesh Talreja, with her, with his brother, with her brother. Dinesh Bhai, a young voice asked, your sister Roma has fallen off a train and we are taking her to a drive-in hospital in Ghansoli. Baleshwar Mishra told all those things to the Roma's brother Dinesh Talreja. I am on my way. Her brother Dinesh Talreja told like this, I am on my way. I am coming here, said Dinesh, rushing towards the motorcycle. Rushing towards the motorcycle. Brother Dinesh Talreja, he eager to come to that hospital. Roma arrived at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center. Minutes later, Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director, they seeing the extent of Roma's injuries. Here, another one hospital, that is Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital. Now Roma, she was admitted at that another one, Multi-Speciality Hospital. Multi-Speciality Hospital. She was admitted at Multi-Speciality Hospital. There is a doctor, Dr. Anil Agarwal, the medical director there, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to a ICU without any paperwork. Here, in the hospital, multi-speciality hospital, Dr. Anil Agarwal, immediately, he was admitted at Roma Talreja's immediately into a ICU for the sake of immediate treatment. To ICU without any paperwork. He asked Baleshwar to hang around until Roma's family arrived. There was when they noticed that the driver having done at the hood and had slipped away with his truck. Oh, I could not thank him, Baleshwar thought. Here, with the help of the truck driver, Baleshwar Mishra, he taken that Roma's Talreja to admit to hospital and that truck driver went away. Baleshwar, he said that I could not thank him. So like this, that Baleshwar, a young boy, youngster, at the situation, he was making a courage and he bring Roma Talreja to the hospital and make a treatment and save her life. So here, our brother Dinesh Talreja, he came to that hospital. Here, the Baleshwar Mishra, he was a youngster. How he showed his courage to save the life of Roma Talrija. She was very injured and there was a blood was flowed in the back side of the head, and that situation, the Roma Talrija, she was very dangerous situation. That Baleshwar show her his courageousness, and also the truck driver, he was helpful her to bring to hospital, and in that hospital the good facilities they here like this here that in the part second there is a girl with the tracks, the Roma Talrija, she was bring to that hospital to get a good treatment with the help of Baleshwar Mishra and Roma Talrija. Here we are going to look the new words of here. Here you are going to know, here there are new words. Gash. Gash means a deep cut. Gash means a deep cut. Sprint. Sprint means run very fast. Run very fast. And show. Show means push roughly. Show means push roughly. Implore. Implore means request. Implore means request. So like this in this paragraph, we are going to know the new words are here also. You are going to introduce new words in this lesson. So you should be introduce this new words or new words. So let us know that how that in the second part taken homework is here. Who was Baleshwar Mishra? Who was Baleshwar Mishra? And how did he save Roma's life? Roma Talrija's life. So why did Baleshwar came to Bombay or Mumbai? You know that who was Baleshwar Mishra? That Baleshwar Mishra, he was a young, he was came from Bijapur, UP. He was came to Mumbai for the sake of searching job. Second one, how did he save Roma's life? With the help of the truck driver, the Roma's Talrija's life, he was saved. That Baleshwar Mishra saved the Roma's life. Why did Baleshwar came to Mumbai? Baleshwar, he came to Mumbai for the sake of search of that job, that he was searching for his job. So now you take down this homework and write down in your house. This is the story about the girl Roma Talrija and Baleshwar Mishra, how that he want to save the life of the Roma's Talrijas with the help of the truck driver, the Gujarati truck driver. Let's today we are going to stop this lesson, continuing the next period. Thank you.